The materials needed for this project are light grip Cricut mat, pre-sanded shrink plastic, Sharpies, washi tape, Cricut deep cut blade, Sharpie adapter for Cricut, and keychain hardware, as well as an oven to bake shrink plastic. To create the Hello Sunshine design, open a new canvas in Design Space. Select images and filter on art type Draw Only and Ownership Free. Then type Sunshine in the search bar to locate the Hello Sunshine design. Select Hello Sunshine design and insert image into the canvas. Next, remove the outside circle using the contour tool and turn off the outside circle. Because this design is a draw-only design, we need to add a cut circle. Select Shapes and select Circle to add a new cut circle. Select both layers and align center. Select the cut layer and change to white. With the cut layer still selected, use the Arrange tool to send to back. This will bring the draw design to the front. To add the key ring hole at the top, select Shapes and Circle. Change the size of the circle to 0.25 and move the circle near the top of the design. Select the draw layer and change the color to black because we are using a black marker. To complete the design, select All and select Attach. Finally, resize the design to 6 inches width and height because the plastic shrinks to less than half the original size. When ready to send to the Cricut, select Make It. Go ahead and load a sheet of shrink plastic, shiny side down, onto the light grip Cricut mat. Use washi tape around the top and sides to secure the plastic. At the Prepare Mat screen, reposition your design on the mat to avoid washi tape. At the Make screen, browse all materials and search for acetate. Select acetate and change pressure to More. The acetate selection will perform 2 cut passes. In the Cricut, load the black Sharpie with an adapter into clamp A, and in place of the fine point blade, put the deep cut blade into clamp B. This project can be completed with either the Cricut Maker or the Cricut Explorer Air 2. For extra support during cutting, the shrink plastic sheet is secured using washi tape around the edges. You may be wondering if regular Cricut pens will work for drawing on shrink plastic sheets. The answer is yes. Cricut pens will work on pre-sanded shrink plastic sheets. However, the Cricut pen ink does not dry well and the lines are very faint. Fine point Sharpies have a much better results on shrink plastic than the Cricut brand pens. Once the Cricut is finished cutting, bend the mat to pop off the piece and remove the key ring hole cut out. It is time to add color. I use Sharpies to color in the shrink plastic, however color pencils would also work. Be sure to color on the rough, sanded side of the shrink plastic. Once coloring is complete, bake the shrink plastic piece according to the instructions on the package. After baking, shrink plastic reduces to less than half the size and thickens to a hard, non-flexible surface. The original piece is 6 inches in diameter and the baked piece is 2.5 inches in diameter. If permanent Sharpies were used for color, no sealant is necessary. If color pencils were used for color, add a thin coat of Mod Podge or diamond glaze to preserve the color. Add keychain hardware and enjoy.